Hi Sonu, wish you happy birthday to you, beta, my sweet dear. Love you.
Hi Akash, wish you many happy returns of the day and God bless you. Do your training successfully and with flying colors. Good. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Akash. May God bless you with many happy returns of this day and a successful piloting career.
Happy birthday, Akash. Wish you all the best.
Many happy returns of the day, Akash, with lots of love and blessings. Have a great day and super year ahead. God bless you.
Hi Akash, wish you a very happy 21st birthday. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your flying. All the very best and see you soon on the right seat. Bye.
Hey Akash, from a cute little kid to a handsome young boy, it's been such a pleasure to watch you grow. On this milestone birthday, I wish you all the happiness and success that you truly deserve. Wishing you a happy 21st birthday. Have fun.
Hi Akash, many happy returns of the day. Life is beautiful. Now you're going to be 21. Seen you from the day you were born. Now it's been 21 years. Time flies, and so are you going to fly. Hope you have a wonderful day and a year ahead and a wonderful life. Anna, God bless. We all are there. Take care. Love you, man. Take care.
A very happy birthday, Akash. You have been an idle, matured, well-behaved, elder kid in the family. You always been an excellent in academics throughout. And now, you're fulfilling your dream of becoming a pilot. You always make us proud. I wish you all the success in life. God bless. Love you.
Hi Akash, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and a fabulous year ahead. Wish you success. Stay happy, stay safe, enjoy.
Hey Akash, many happy returns of the day. Wish your day filled with love, laughter and many happy moments. Keep the fun going. Enjoy day.
Enjoy.
Hi Ki, wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy 21st birthday. Wow, time just flies. मला अजून आठवतं तू लहान होतास आणि आपण गोरेगावच्या घरी होतो, मधल्या रूममध्ये खेळत होतो आणि खाली होतो, खाली गादी किंवा गोधडी होती. And I was lying around and you were sitting and I suddenly made you sit and because you are so small and तू दन करून खाली पडला and you started crying. But we all held you and you stopped crying soon after, started laughing and playing again. But those are the cherishable moments that brings a smile to us even now. But since then, now you're 21 years old. So I wish you all the happiness, prosperity, peace and all good wishes with you now and always.
Hey Aki, you're officially an adult now. Wow, congratulations. I still remember you as a cute, a chubby and a very naughty 10-year-old who used to team up with Abhishek and trouble me like anything. Beautiful memories. You have grown from playing with toy airplanes to finally flying an aircraft. So my best wishes for you. And we are very proud of you. Many happy returns to the handsome and intelligent boy turned man. I hope you have health, happiness, success, prosperity, good luck, peace, blessings, and only good things come your way. Wish all your dreams come true this year. Enjoy your special day. Wish you a very happy birthday again. God bless you abundantly. Love you.
Hi Akash, wish you many happy returns of the day. Hope to see you soon in Mumbai wearing your pilot's uniform. Bye.
Happy birthday Akash, wish you a very long life. We are waiting for you to return back to India.
Happy birthday Akash Dada. Loads of love to you. I've missed you this entire year. We didn't get a chance to meet at all. But hopefully we'll meet soon. And all I have to say is that I've adored you ever since we were young children. And all the time, I used to come to the building and you'd always say Khali Khera Zaitse Ka. And you've always been endearing and always shown a lot of love. I think the only time we didn't really talk much was when you moved to the hostel. But ever since you've been back and you've always made the effort to talk, and you're the protective older brother that I've always wanted, and I couldn't ask for more. So lots of love to you.
Happy birthday Akash Dada. Lots of love to you. I miss you and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday to an amazing cousin. I remember watching Lion King for the first time at your house and learning how to play Spider-Man on your PS4. I also remember eating my very first paneer pizza at your house. And I also had a lot of fun at San Francisco. I have made many great memories with you, and I hope to make such memories with you again. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Akash Dada. Fly high, come back soon.
Happy birthday Akash Dada.
Huh?
What?
Say
Happy to you.
Akash Dada.
Akash Dada. Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday Akash Dada.
Happy to you.
Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Akash Dada. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Say love you.
Ayu.
Ikhlatin.
Ayu.
Oh, Bobby. Happy birthday. Yay!
Yay!
Hey Akash, happy 21st birthday, son. Miss you loads. Wish you in abundance, love, peace, happiness, wealth, prosperity, and safe skies. I still remember that day, 21 years back, this very day, when I held you for the first time in my arms. The warmth, the joy that you gave me, and you still continue to do so. You were a very obedient child right from the beginning, and now you've turned into a obedient and responsible adult. We always knew your destination somehow, so we named you Akash. That's where you're going to be most of the time, in the sky, flying high. So wish you safe skies too. And I miss you loads, son. And we'll have a grand celebration the day you come. Waiting to hug you and party. So see you. Happy 21st again, baby. Love you loads. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Akash! A cute little angel who's turned 21 today. You know, both Dad and I keep thinking of those days when you were a little cute, cuddly baby in our arms. 21 years back, you've given us this joy which still continues and grows and grows and grows. You know, the beautiful memories that we have created when you were a little baby, holding our hands, trying to walk, growing up to a little boy who's always passionate about his pursuits. Football, that's one of your greatest passion. And you know, the best part was, as a mature individual, when you decided between football and your other passion, which is flying, so that you match your name with your profession, was such a beautiful decision. Your passion to pursue flying, and now the steps that you're taking to complete your flying course at the earliest, all the hard work, all the efforts, you know, to become a great captain, such an amazing thing. Going through your lovely photographs, seeing your beautiful expressions, your cute pranks, the way you come and cuddle us, the way your wit, your humor is amazing. Grow into a great man, Akash. You're a beautiful human being, a blessing to all of us. We love you a lot, my darling. Happy birthday again. I'm so waiting for you to come back so that we celebrate your return. You being a captain and flying high with Indigo Airlines.